Hello and welcome to our final video of our 4-video series with advanced features in the ink formulation 6. We've been using color quality 6 as our quality control program. Okay, and in this video we're going to go over adding ink leftovers and assigning a specific application to those ink leftover buckets. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started by logging in here. Alright, so a brief review. In video 1, we set up a job in color quality from a previously printed customer supplied sample and adjusted our job settings to fit our customers' required quality control procedures. In this case, it was D50, 10 degrees, DE 2000. Okay. In video 2, we switched to ink formulation software and we created basic materials and then established some applications from those basic materials. We utilized ColorNet to grab our formulations, or our references out of color quality and get some formulations from those using the applications we created. That was video 3. And now we're going to go ahead and use the material as ink leftovers for future formulations. Okay, so we'll get started by going to database, ink leftovers. Okay, we're going to click new and we're going to go ahead and measure our first printed material. Okay, so this is the red. We printed it at 5.6 BCM. This is on white BOPP. It wants us to print over black. I generally skip that. So we definitely want to measure the substrate. So we'll give that a quick measurement. Okay. We use the thickness object that we used. In this case, it was a toner 5.6 BCM. Skip over the viscosity. Now I like to put a description, like a job number on it. Here is really what you want to put a description so you can find it on the shelf. You know, if you do it by job number or you do it by color, maybe you do it by shelf. However you want to designate it so you can easily find it when you want to formulate it with it later. Okay. So in this case, job number red 9999. Okay. I'm going to put an available quantity of 9 pounds as if we manufactured a gallon again. And here we're going to assign an application. So if you recall, in our previous videos, we created an application, surface print, and we utilized that. We added 3% of wax additive for a surface print job. We're going to assign it to this work-off container and click Finish. Okay, and there's our new work-off container. Let's go ahead and create another one. I'm going to grab our green roll out here. So if we were on press, we would be measuring the actual, we did substrate measured, sorry. We would be measuring our actual printed sample, okay? We used a 3.1 BCM here. All right, so we'll call this green. Job number 99999. Okay, the other reason you want to use a job number is because if you run this job again and you have this specific green untouched on the shelf, you can go ahead and use it again. You don't have to use it to formulate later, right? Okay, so we'll say that we have, let's say, 40 pounds heavy coverage on the green. And this time I'm not going to put it in surface print. Even though it is a surface print material, I want to make sure that I kind of show you how this feature works. So I'm going to say it was a slow dry. I'm just going to switch, even though I know that it's not. For today's purposes, I'm going to make it a different application and finish. All right, just to show you how this works, I'm going to go ahead and formulate another color. We'll go to the color libraries and we'll pick something random. Let's say this doesn't matter. We'll say 1788. Substrate of current assortment will work for now. Let's use our thickness object. All right, I'm going to do another surface print job. All right, 3% wax additive. We pick our standard pigments and we choose ink leftovers. Okay. Notice how the red from job number 999 shows up, but the green container that we put in does not show up. It does not become available to us because we're doing another surface print job. Okay. If we go back and we change our application to slow dry, Now when we click this button here, there's our green, and we cannot use the red. Okay, so that's how the ink formulation software, if used properly and assigned our ink leftovers to specific applications, it will prevent us from cross-contaminating our materials. All right, it's an important feature that everyone should understand and utilize. All right. I appreciate you following me on this four video series. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below or come see us at www.interactiveinks.com. Thank you again, and have a good day.